talk to you about this project called WikiHouse. WikiHouse calls itself an open source architecture that you can from which you can print your own house. It's kind of set up for users and designers anywhere in the world, and its open sourceness allows for things like local adaptation, for a kind of ongoing design process, and for user interactivity. Okay, it comes with SketchUp as an interface, so you download the plugin and you can sort of start to play as either a designer or a user. It's got a set of browsable designs so that you can kind of fool around with making some form for your house, almost like you were playing with Legos. And you can take that design and sort of finalize it and go to your 3D print store down the street, your local 3D print shop, and basically print these components on some sheet material, and those become the components of your house. Oops. Okay, now I'm not necessarily advocating for or against this particular project, but I think it represents a really interesting potential source of housing and kind of the built urban form in the future. It's just starting out. I think it has the potential to be very big in terms of how our environment is made. And I feel that it's really important for architecture to be part of this. I think with all this user interactivity, we shouldn't let the other design disciplines have all the fun. In fact, I think that non-commercial usage of interactive design is very important. It's going to keep us from just being choppers, essentially. I think architecture is all about critical thinking and about thinking through a problem, and I think architecture is important here. I think we need architecture to be part of this phenomenon. This is a spread from Grapefruit, which is a book of instructions and drawings by Yoko Ono. It's just been re-released. I highly recommend it. I think it's a terrific little volume. And essentially, there's all these instructions, like the ones that you see up here, that sort of hand the viewer a mode for processing everyday life. So on the left, we have walk piece. Okay, walk piece I find hilarious and also oddly true. I mean, whose daily life does this not actually describe in certain ways? Laundry piece, on the other hand, can be done by anyone. You or any of your friends could host a performance of laundry piece at your house. Since it is an instruction, essentially performing that instruction gives you, the user, an original work of performance art. I don't know if anybody does this, but I would actually love to be invited to a performance of laundry piece if somebody ever does that. The Fluxus movement, which Yoko Ono was a part of, gave us a highly dematerialized form of art. And so my point is this. Marcel Duchamp transformed the meaning of art by first gutting the meaning of art. But in doing so, he did not kill painting. Do-it-yourself design will not kill architecture as we know it, but it could transform it. And I think it's something that we should be thinking about. Thanks.